That's the heat engine now. Is it on now? Is it on?
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's not, I think.
It says.
I thought you learned. Oh, really? Come on.
Gary, move up! What are you doing there? Gary! Don't be scared!
You're not alone! You're not alone!
Gary?
Kiddie pool.
No, Gary's scared of the leeches.
There's a leech in there! A leech in that! In the lily! Come on! Baby Gary! I don't know!
Come on, Gary, move!
If not, we'll put it on Facebook.
Oh, yeah!
We have to. We got to. We got no choice. Yeah? I don't even believe this.
Gary, you don't even need a life jacket if you're going to be there.
Yeah, you need the life jacket. You only get to stay.
Just the noodle.
It's 3 feet deep here, Gary. Come on. 3 feet. Okay. Are you trying to concentrate?
Ayan na. Malapit na. Malapit na ng palapit. One noodle. Patakbuhin natin. Okay, hilain natin si Gary. Can I borrow this? No, it's okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. There you go, nice. Good now. Yes, you can relax already. There you go. Mauntog ka Gary dyan sa motor. Ando ka na sa boat. Ganito dapat, oh. Gusto mo yung mas malaki pa dyan. Kaya, tapos yung ano naman. Sa bagay ma. Yeah. Talaga. Okay, nice to know.
Through that two belt loops here. And then come out here.
Meron pala kaming free lesson ngayon.
So Michelle's a better swimmer than you were. And look at her, you're all on video.
She learned yesterday.
Come on, Gary.
Matapang kasi si Kel sa'yo.
Come on, you did the too.
I know, I will. I'm next.
Get that. There's a life jacket over there.
Yeah, Dingo too.
Come on, Dindo.
I will.
He's the only one.
Jump there and hold.
Gary's passed 3 feet so far. That's good.
Oh my God.
He hasn't gone 4 feet.
Okay, now. I said before you leave this cottage,
Yeah.
you have to come on. Let's your peer
Yeah, Dingo.
Go.
Gary needs a duck near him.
You gotta pass the duck.
Yeah, that is the...
Pass the duck.
Yeah, come on.
Go past that duck, Gary.
Now I need to... Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Come on,
It's a race.
Why I can't?
Come on, let's go.
Kawawa naman tayo, guys. Come on. Hold on. I have a problem with my... This is the swimming area. That is the body of the dog.
Come
I
on.
wanna go.
No, come on. More, come back. Hey, come here.
No, I have
What?
my life jacket. I put it on my saddle belt. It's, I wanna lose it. I'm losing it. It's like, hey, hold it.
Lower part, right?
Gary, don't go back, go forward. Michelle needs a hand over there. Gary, help Michelle out. Oh my God, Michelle will hold you, yeah.
I'm trying to relax.
Gary, you got a leash. Gary, you're 3.5 feet, almost 4.
I'm happy now because you're in the line of the duck now.
You almost passed the duck, Gary. You almost passed that duck. Come on, you can do it. Do it for Michelle, Gary. Here comes the hero.
Rescue.
Rescue Gary. Yes. Yes, Gary. Don't be scared. Too big lang yan. Wow, Gary.
Go more. Kick, kick. That's it, that's it, that's it. Keep going. Yeah, like that, like that. You do them separately. Yes, there you go. Now you're getting somewhere, see? That's it.
Galing. Yes. Not backward, forward, Gary.
But that's good.
I know, forward, not backward.
We're not laughing at you, we're laughing with you. Come on, we're in cool, man.
Come on, Gary.
There's no sticks or anything.
Wait,
Good.
baby. Go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Mary, I don't know how. No, everybody will go in.
More, come. Come on. No, come on. Come here. Come here, baby.
Oh, ang dami dito ah.
Yeah.
Mary, you make the water dirty na.
He's staying in the mud. Look at it, all the mud he's making. Yeah, yeah.